In the intricate world of finance, capital allocation stands as a cornerstone of strategic decision-making. Today, we explore the essential frameworks and methodologies that govern how resources are distributed across various investments, shaping the future of businesses and driving growth. As we dive into the nuances of capital allocation protocols, we engage with three logical pipes that facilitate the flow of capital within organizations. These pipes serve as conduits, directing funds into productive avenues while ensuring optimal returns on investment. The first pipe is the organic growth channel, which emphasizes the internal processes that enhance value through innovation and efficiency. Companies that master this channel invest heavily in research and development, nurturing ideas that can translate into marketable products. This organic approach is often viewed as the foundation for long-term sustainability and resilience. The second pipe pertains to inorganic opportunities that arise from mergers and acquisitions. This avenue allows organizations to accelerate growth by absorbing established entities with existing market share. Through strategic alignment, companies can enhance their capabilities and extend their reach, achieving synergies that drive exponential value. The critical factor in this process is a well-defined integration strategy, allowing for synergy realization post-acquisition. Lastly, the distribution channel encompasses returning value to shareholders. Companies must strike a delicate balance here, determining how much profit should be reinvested into the organization versus how much should be returned to investors. This judgment is pivotal, as it reflects the organization's confidence in future growth while acknowledging the immediate financial appetites of its stakeholders. Shifting focus, we now consider the hurdle rate filter, a fundamental metric in capital allocation. This is the minimum acceptable return on an investment, serving as a decision-making threshold for project viability. Visualize an animated bar chart. At the center lies a bold red laser line, proudly labeled 15% hurdle rate. As the bars representing R&D, vanity, and M&A grow upwards from the baseline, we witness a clear delineation of performance. The bar for vanity falters, ultimately dissolving beneath the red line, illustrating the misconception that flashy investments without solid returns hold value. In stark contrast, the M&A bar breaks through the line, aglow with a vivid green, symbolizing success in overcoming the hurdle. This visual not only conveys the importance of rigorous evaluation but also underscores the necessity for disciplined financial governance. As we progress further, we explore the 2026 shift, a transition from human-led decision-making to machine-driven analytics. In a world increasingly influenced by artificial intelligence and machine learning, the landscape of capital allocation finds itself evolving at a rapid pace. The precision and efficiency offered by algorithms promise a transformation in how investors analyze opportunities. Instead of relying solely on intuition or historical data, decision-making becomes informed by vast datasets and predictive analytics. This paradigm shift raises questions about the role of human judgment in finance. While machines can process data at unprecedented speeds, the nuanced understanding of market sentiments and strategic foresight remains irreplaceable. The partnership between human insight and machine efficiency offers exciting possibilities for capital allocation practices, fundamentally altering how businesses strategize for the future. As we consider the final chapter of our exploration, we delve into terminal value and exit strategies. Terminal value represents the present value of a company's expected cash flows beyond the forecast period, a critical component in determining a company's overall worth. In capital allocation, understanding terminal value guides investment decisions, helping stakeholders determine the long-term value that can be realized from their investment. Moreover, the exit strategy serves as a roadmap for investors, detailing the planned path to liquidate their position, typically through initial public offerings or acquisitions. Here, timing becomes essential. Investors must evaluate market conditions meticulously to maximize the value extracted from their investments. An effective exit strategy ensures that every dollar invested yields a return commensurate with the risks undertaken. Throughout our examination of capital allocation protocols, we have unraveled a framework that is both sophisticated and methodical, reflecting the high-stakes environment of institutional finance. By understanding the logical pipes, applying rigorous filters, embracing technological shifts, and planning exit strategies, organizations can navigate the complexities of capital allocation with confidence. The interplay of these elements creates a symphony of decision-making that not only aligns with financial objectives but also propels businesses towards sustainable growth. Each player within this ecosystem, the investor, the analyst, the executive, must operate with clarity, discipline, and foresight, ensuring that capital is allocated in a manner that maximizes value and secures competitive advantage. As we conclude this journey through capital allocation protocols, we acknowledge the continuous evolution of finance, driven by innovation and technology. Future success will hinge on the ability to adapt, embrace new methodologies, and uphold the principles of sound financial management. The stakes are high, and with each decision, we shape the trajectory of businesses and, ultimately, the economy at large.